Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Install the Gbox iOS app and sign in, then enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the app can detect the device. Once done, plug in the Gbox and charge it above 20%. Make sure pairing mode is active. Now open Settings right arrow Bluetooth and pair the device before launching the app, because pairing first prevents connection errors. After pairing, launch Gbox and allow permissions again. This primes the app to scan and manage your unit immediately. Once paired, open the Gbox app and tap New Device to begin configuration. Follow the on-screen calibration prompt step by step so sensors align correctly. Make sure to update firmware when prompted. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection and keep the Gbox within a few feet of your phone to avoid interruptions. After updates, set your user profile, auto sync interval, and notification preferences. These choices control battery use and data frequency, so adjust them based on how often you need real-time updates versus longer. To finish, run a quick test action. Trigger a command, watch the response, and confirm sensor readings. If everything responds promptly, you're done. If not, reboot both your phone and the Gbox, then forget and repair the Bluetooth connection. This resolves most connection hiccups. If problems persist, export diagnostics from app right arrow diagnostics and contact support with those logs. Make sure to mention firmware version and iOS build, because that speeds troubleshooting and helps identify whether it's a device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.